Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to our channel Learn and Prepare. Today we are here with the third part of our MCQ series. Today we will discuss longest in the world. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video. The first slide we have is about the longest river, which is River Nile. You can see in the map as well. Next slide is about the longest strait, which is the Strait of Malacca, and it is located in the region between Indonesia and Malaysia. The longest river dam we have is Hirakud Dam in Odisha, located in India. The longest railway we have is Trans-Siberian Railway. The longest platform we have is Habali Railway Station. The longest road tunnel we have is Lidl Tunnel, located in Norway, which is 24.51 kilometer long. The longest rail tunnel we have is Gotthard Base Tunnel, located in Switzerland. The longest canal tunnel we have is Le Rouvre Tunnel, located in France. The longest ship canal is Grand Canal of China, which is 1794 kilometer long. The longest bridge we have, road and rail both, is Dangyang Kunchen Grand Bridge, located in China. The longest wall we have is Great Wall of China. The longest coastline of any country we have is Canada, which is 2,02,080 kilometer long. The longest mountain range we have is Andes, located in South America, and its length is 5,500 meters. The longest road or highway is the Pan American Highway. You can see in the map as well. The longest day of the year we have is 21st of June. The longest animal we have is the blue whale. That is for today. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel, Learn and Prepare. Allah Hafiz.